Bam! Live on the scene. When we come to do a furnace check, and you see that water on the floor, that ain't good. That ain't good. Water supposed to be coming out this way. And it's supposed to be coming out over here, and it's not coming out. So this gonna have some problems. Bam! If you look very careful, you will see that this tube right here, see, the tube is not on, and so all the water is just leaking down in the housing because the tube is not on the actual pipe. Bam! Live on the scene. Troubleshooting, baby. That's what it's all about, troubleshooting.